Welcome to Travel Around Susie. Today we are going to do project day. Is my roof vent, and I already kind of started, but as you can see, this is kind of how it's been. And so this has just kind of been laying up there. What I've been using is this, which was made by a friend. We sewed this kind of thick material. We got the reflectives in here, and I'm gonna sew this up, but I was gonna put a second one in. Then I was gonna put magnets on it so that I could magnet it right to here. As you guys know, I got some window covers and a vent cover, and I am so looking forward to this. Just boom, like that. So let me show you what we're working with. We have nothing here but fiberglass, very thin, not gonna put any screws in there because I ain't about to have it leaking. And then my microphone fell off, so give me a minute here. Then we have some fiberglass in here. Put some light on the subject. So we got some fiberglass up in there, and then we got fiberglass up in there, and very little there. So what we are doing is kind of sandwiched these two boards together using liquid nails, and I'm gonna put liquid nails on there. And the reason for these holes, there's already screws up there to mounting the MaxxAir fan. These are from the MaxxAir fan. So what we did is we drilled some holes for these screws just to fit up there, and they fit kind of snug, so it kind of holds it there. Then we're gonna liquid nail here and make another template. That way we will put a screw through here and it will go to that board, not through my roof. And Van & Camp sent me the magnets. They came with this all in one box. Super strong magnets. Very happy with that. I mean, look at. Beautiful. Love it. Love it. So now I'm gonna measure this, cut this down. So let's get to work. So I have built up a little support back here, because in the van it goes kind of sloping down, but there's no honeycomb. I don't know the technical word, but this is all fiberglass, and this is the main support of the roof. So we're gonna support this here, and then we're gonna have here so I'm going to draw one screw up in here, one screw up in here, and then one screw up in here, which there's a metal plate here and a metal plate here. And we're going to get up into there, and that's going to, oops. So we're going to have one screw up here and one screw up here. And this collar will be installed. My messy workstation. That's the way Vanlife is. It's just messy. And with me having this board here, it gives me something to screw the screws into, because I do not want to screw through the roof of my van, make a hole. I already made a big enough hole. And I've got to clean this. Alright, so now we've got the screws in. The screen is missing because I'm cleaning that, and I need to clean all this. So that's a tomorrow project. Got that all cleaned. So now it's in. And let me show you. Look at this. One-handed. Boom. Woohoo! Love it. If I want just partial, woohoo! Love it, love it, love it. So I got the MaxxAir fan clean. The vent is all clean now. The blades are all clean. Project is 100% finished. And I did put and glue the magnets that this came with. So easy installation. And what I can do in the winter is I can get some foam and put in there like a memory foam, or even a piece of insulation if I wanted to put that up in there and then close it up. Nobody would know a difference. And at night, if I want just a little bit of light, but I want some air, I can put that down like that. However, I can't go this way because of how stiff that is. But I love this. So I will put a link to the MaxxAir fan down below, the one that I have. It is a 10-speed reversible. I also too will put a link to the van in camps. And thank you all for watching. If you have any other comments or questions, feel free to ask me in the comments about either the Max fan or the van in camp. And I also too have another video about the van in camp front window covers that I love. So if you want to check that video out, it'll be either over here or over here, most likely over here. But thank you all for subscribing, liking this video, and sharing this with your friends. It really does help me with my channel. Thank you so much.